Good morning, student. Today again we are going to start with the chapter Structure of Atom. Now we will continue with the topic Atomic Number and Mass Number and their question answers. Now, see, I have told you last time that we can represent the unknown element with a symbol X. X is the symbol of element and atomic number is given by Z. So atomic number Z is written on the lower left side, whereas mass number is written on the upper left side of the symbol that I have told you. For example, carbon has atomic number, what is it? 6, and mass number is 12. Hence, so we represent carbon as 6 is written below and 12 is written above on the left side. Similarly, many examples are shown to you. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, phosphorus, chlorine, potassium and calcium. Now calculation of number of electron, proton and neutron from atomic number Z and mass number or atomic mass A. So by definition atomic number Z is equal to number of protons or it may be equal to the number of electron in a neutral atom. Thus, knowing atomic number of an element, number of proton as well as number of electron in normal atom, that is neutral atom, can be calculated. Further, by definition, mass number or atomic mass is sum of number of protons and number of neutrons. Number of protons is equal to atomic number, that is Z. So A is equal to Z plus N, और अगर हमें N कैलकुलेट करना है न्यूट्रॉन्स को तो N is equal to A minus Z, where A is the atomic mass and Z is the atomic number. So number of neutrons, what will be the formula? Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. It may be seen that for a number of elements with low atomic number, mass number is double of the atomic number. That is carbon. Carbon atomic number is 6 and mass number is 12. Oxygen atomic number is 8, mass number is 16. However, in number of cases it is not so and mass number is greater than double of atomic number. For example, chromium, it has atomic number 24 and mass number is 52. Okay. The difference is much high for elements with high atomic number. For example, in the case of uranium, atomic number is 92 and mass number is 238. Thus, the number of neutron in the nucleus is much more than the number of electrons and protons. Okay. Now, we will do few questions. Question number 1. Calculate the number of electron, proton and neutron in sodium atom. Give the atomic number of sodium. Given the atomic number of sodium is 11 and mass number is 23. Now atomic number is represented by Z and Z value is equal to 11 and mass number is equal to 23. Now number of protons is equal to atomic number, that is equal to 11. Since the atom is neutral, so number of electron is equal to number of protons. So that is also 11. So mass number is equal to क्या होगा? Number of protons and neutron, and number of neutron क्या होगा? Number of neutron is equal to, that is mass number minus proton, that is 23 minus 11. So answer will be 12. Next example is there. The nucleus of an atom of an element contains 17 proton and 18 neutron. Calculate the atomic number and mass number of the element and represent them along with symbol of the elements. Now we know atomic number is equal to number of protons, that is 17. Mass number हमें पता है sum of protons and neutron, that is 17 plus 18, that is 35. So element with atomic number 17 is chlorine. Hence, how we will represent it? 17 is the symbol. 17 atomic number will be written on the lower left side and mass number is written on the upper left side. Next question is, what will be the composition of nucleus of an atom of an element with atomic number 19 and mass number 39? We know atomic number of element is 19 and mass number is 39. So number of protons in the nucleus is equal to atomic number, that is 19. So number of neutrons, how we'll calculate? Mass number minus number of how much? We know that number of, that is protons. So 39 minus 19, that will be equal to 20. Okay. Now, further questions are, atomic number of sodium is 11 and mass number is 23. What type of ion will be formed by it and how will you represent it? Calculate the number of electron, proton and neutron in ion form. What will be the valency of sodium? We know atomic number of sodium is 11. Electronic configuration sodium की होगी 281. It can easily lose one electron to complete its octet. Hence, it will form positive ion. So, Na plus. Now, how many electron in Na plus? We know total number of that is proton was 11. So, अगर हम 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन वॉज 11. सो अगर एक वो लूज कर रहा है तो हमें घटा के लिखना पड़ेगा 11 माइनस 1 दैट इज 10. सो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स इज इक्वल टू एटॉमिक नंबर इज इक्वल टू 11. सो नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स क्या होगा? मास नंबर माइनस एटॉमिक नंबर. मास नंबर इज 23 minus 11, so that will be 12. In this way, the question is done. As the element loses electron to form Na plus ions, the valency of element will be equal to 1. Second question is, atomic number of aluminium is 13 and mass number is 27. Calculate the number of electron, proton and neutron in the ion form. Represent the ion. What will be the valency? We know aluminium, the number atomic number is 13. Electronic configuration will be 283. Now, if it lose 3 electron to complete its octet, so what will be how the ion will be formed? Al3 plus. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन Al3 प्लस में वैसे भी हमें पता है इलेक्ट्रॉन 13 है. सो 13 और कितने लूज करें? लूज पे माइनस होता है, गेन पे क्या होता है? प्लस नेगेटिव होता है, ऐड होता है, सॉरी. So 13 minus 3, total number of electron of aluminium ion will be 10. हमें पता है number of proton is equal to atomic number is equal to 13. So number of neutron will be equal to mass number minus atomic number. That is 27 minus 13. It is equal to 14. As aluminium atom loses 3 electron to complete its octet, so its valency is 3. Next question, atomic number of fluorine is 9 and mass number is 19. Calculate the number of electron, proton and neutron in the neutral atom and in the ion formed by it. Represent the ion and its electronic configuration. Now we know number of electrons is equal to proton is equal to atomic number, that is 19, and neutron is mass number minus atomic number, that is 19 minus 9, that is 10. So atomic number of fluorine कितना हो गया? 9. फ्लोरीन का कितना हो गया? 9. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दैट इज 27. अब 7 के लिए एक इलेक्ट्रॉन की कमी है टू कंप्लीटेड ऑक्टेट, सो इट विल गेन 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड इट विल फॉर्म F नेगेटिव. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ F नेगेटिव आफ्टर गेनिंग 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इट विल चेंज इनटू 28. और इलेक्ट्रॉन F नेगेटिव आयन के कितने हो जाएंगे? 9 plus 1, एक गेन करा है तो इट विल बी 10. Now number of proton हमें पता है that is equal to atomic number, that is 9. So number of neutron, mass number minus that is proton. So 19 minus 9. Sorry, mass number minus proton और atomic number, both दोनों बात same ही है. So 19 minus 9 that is equal to 10. So in this way these numericals are done. So please practice them and read them properly and then we will continue with further topics. Okay.